Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide last active on Messenger app. So guys, as it takes every single time a few steps, so it's easy to be completed and it's easy to be done. So first you just need to open up your Messenger app and to make sure that you are signed in to your accounts, and after that I just want you to go through the menu and the bottom right corner, tap on menu, and right here I just want you to go into settings. It's under your profile picture and name, so tap on it, and right here I want you to scroll down until you can see the active status on the profile section. Tap on it, and right here by tapping on this tool you can be invisible, or you can turn off your active status. So it says your friends and connections can see when you're active or recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them to change the settings, turn off wherever you are using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. So if you are ready and you want to turn off your active status, you can just tap on this choice, and here tap on custom, last one, and you can customize your dates of or you can choose a date to be shown as an active again. Okay, so once you're finished, it will be, or it will turn off. After that, no one will see when you're online or when you were last active, and also you won't see others active status either. And the setting applied only as a note to Messenger, not Facebook or Instagram. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.